Your electric company hates this.
They're taking advantage of you, and they're basically saying you don't have a choice, so we're just going to grind you down any way we feel like it. Not anymore. You need to put some solar on your roof. Be independent from those people.
Is we have rates in California that are, 5 to 10 times the rates everywhere else in the United States. And I don't think it costs more to make electricity. It used to be that there was a lot of electricity used during the daytime, but then what happened? Everyone bought a bunch of solar panels. So now what they said is, well, you know what? It doesn't cost that much anymore to make electricity during the day. So what we're gonna do is wait till you come home from work and we're gonna jack the rates up.
Now we have the battery. That was our response. And the battery allows us to soak up all that beautiful sun and all that energy in the day. And then we use it off our battery at night, so we don't pay any of those extra rates. What's going to be next year, $4 or $5 billion
Maybe.
on the backs of the customers? That's just wrong. It's 2025. Let's wake up and smell the solar.
Visit SemperSolaris.com to see our latest offers on solar plus battery storage.